Samantala, ipinauubaya ng palasyo sa COMELEC kung nararapat na alisin sa listahan ng mga lehitimong party list groups ang Akbayan. Ito'y matapos na hilingin ng Anak Bayan Party List na i-disqualify ang Akbayan dahil pinapaboran umano ito ng Pangulo. Ang ilang miyembro ng Akbayan ay bahagi ng administrasyon. Tinukoy ng Anak Bayan sina Presidential Advisor on Political Affairs Ronald Llamas at a Human Rights Commission Chair Eta Rosales. Niliwanag ni Presidential Spokesman Edwin Lacierda na may sinusunod na alituntunin ang COMELEC hinggil sa party list.
If that's the case, so should Bayan muna because it's also fielding a Teddy Casino is running as a senatorial candidate. What is sauce for the goose should be sauce for the gander. If that's the reasoning that they're going to say. But again, we leave everything up with the COMELEC. They have the rules the rules as a guide for them to whether to disqualify a party list or to accept it being a party list, continue being a party list.